one, Congress. And then we read book namely Chimerica, the China America, when many experts have already predict that the hegemony of the Western will be changed into the Eastern, maybe in the next 30s, maybe the title will not globalization in the context, but from the West to the East. Because of that, I am now from Gajah Mada University should prepare if the hegemony of the Western then move into the East, what should we do? That is why we now studying about psychology Nusantara, psychology that's happened in Nusantara, and also Javanese psychology. And I'm myself now study about psychology from my city, Yogyakarta. There are 4 people that's expert on it. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about artificial agent and how to respond through indigenous learning method and results. Actually, this from my NCOs. After the COVID-19, technology developed very, very fast. Many people should know, many students, many lecturers should know about the importance of artificial intelligence, AI. But some of us not realize that the impact of artificial intelligence can replace some work, some job. We already train the student, we already teach the student, and the student have some expertise. But we never think what happen if the student expertise then replaced by artificial intelligence. In psychology, we know about CIT, ACT, Assisted Computer Test. That's the role of AI in the very low level. And then Hello Doc. If Hello Doc can be used by AI, someday consultation can also do by AI. So what should we do? Based on that things, and then I try to study what happened. And then we know that there are some jobs that replaced by AI, something routine, repetitive work. And then there are simple data, and then many customer service job. There will be very important, dangerous for Indonesian worker, because most of us doing on working as a customer service job, and then data driven this one. There's many aspects that can be replaced by artificial intelligence. And then I am thinking about that. So what should we do? What should prepare? And based on that one, I realized that when we study about psychology, there are 3 aspects of human soul: that cognitive, affective, and psychomotoric. Based on that, those 3 things, in my opinion, artificial intelligence mostly do on the process on cognitive. And then I'm trying to contemplate, and then I feel that there is a fact. My student in Hiroshima University, postdoc, asked me, Prof. Gun, I would like to make a postdoc at Stanford University. What should you do? I'm going to study about the corruption and religion. And they told me that why in the most religious country, the corruption is very, very high. For example, the Christian, there is in Philippines, corruption high over there. And then Buddhist in Thailand, Hinduism in India, Islam in Pakistan, Indonesia. There is no relation between corruption and religion. Why? Based on this one, I try to make some contemplation and then look around us that religion mostly studied by using just cognition. We forget that the religion actually is on our deep, on our heart. That's about belief and trust with God, not about thinking. Because of that, people become expert to corrupt because a model of study mistake, false model. And then the second thing, many people, that's especially in my religion, Islam, many people, Pak, I've already praying God, I do a lot of things in a very good religious rule, but I never reach. Oh, the purpose of their many people is rich, not happiness. This relate to cognition aspect, not relate to affection or behavior thing. This make me deeply and deeply thinking. And then I am asking by myself, I'm thinking, I make some contemplation again. Actually, what is about science? Science is a collection of points of information about the subject we are learning about, which is currently our focus. Where the point of information are scattered in the virtual world, and our thought and feeling, their magnitude, size, and time of appearance are not the same. The learner's task is to find the relationship between the point and then interpret it. So actually, science is the point of subject learning. Yeah, and information around us. Our task just identifying, looking for the relation between the information, and then we interpret it. Based on that one, I feel that, look, this is matched with our culture, Javanese. Why? And the Western model, we only know about when we educate someone will smart or clever. In Indonesia terminologi, pandai dan cerdas. In Western, smart and clever. While in Javanese society, there are three things. Pandai, smart, mean pinter, That's pinter Javanese terminology. Clever, cerdas, similar to wasis. But there is another one that in Javanese terminology name that is waskito. What is the waskito? The ability to predict something. Not just smart and clever, but Javanese terminology laris pinter, wasis, waskito. Waskito means ability to predict something. Why someone can predict something? Because the people then they know the point of view. One of requirement should be go to the field. Whenever people go to the field, and then we can easily recognize after this, and then will be something like that. That is what the meaning of T10. Based on T10, and then we can predict something. I study this just when I observed to the village. I asked to the farmer whether this is already dry season or already rainy season. What happened? People from the village said they just look at the sky. What happened with you? I'm looking to the sky. What? I'm looking for the way of the wind. Where the wind go? If the wind go to the sea, mean from the mainland to the sea, means there is a dry season. But whenever there is from the wind from the sea to the mainland, that is rainy season. Oh, that is T10. If people can go everywhere, because of that, and then I realized that there are a difference between Western and orientation world. The Western one emphasizes on cognitive, and then learning by tutorial, and then separating with religion and knowledge. Yeah, that's it. I told you that there is a difference between smart, clever, and this one. Smart, pandai, pinter, pandai, smart, wasis, cerdas, clever, waskito, clairvoyant. We have also to optimize this based on humanistic psychology. This based on humanistic psychology, and then I remember whenever John Joe meet with Kurt Lewin in Chicago, in Yogyakarta, there is also a meeting between Ki Hajar Dewantara and Ki Ageng Suryo Mentaram. These two experts in education in Indonesia. What they study about one and what is they believe? They believe that whatever is my teacher, anywhere is my school, and anyone experience is my book. I told you before that we have to go to the field. That pace. That is why Martha told me that asked me to go somewhere, because study to the field, according to me, is this more important than just reading a book. We sometimes forget that data is not on book, but data is on the field. Book just reference, but many scholars forget that book sometimes become important, more than important than the data. Actually, book just reference. What is the meaning of reference? Okay. Because of that, we can understand according to Javanese terminology, the meaning behind the heaven. In Javanese terminology, makna di balik peristiwa. And then topong rame. Topong rame means we are study by doing something. as today by experiencing. Bung Karno, as the President of Indonesia, who developed Pancasila, he was doing by contemplation in somewhere else. That is, and then Bung Karno take persatuan, unity as the most important things. That is why Soekarno as President Indonesia, when PKI dibubarkan,
when the Communist Party disbanded.
Yeah, Soekarno against that idea. Why? Because he believed that unity is the best. Indonesia can independence because of unity. Because of that, he believed the power of unity. And then I also, based on I try to study with my contemplation, I found that maybe if you study about Ki Hajar Dewantoro, Ki Hajar Dewantoro study about what namely ing ngarsa sung tulodo, in front we become the role model, in the middle we motivate, and then in back we make
encouragement.
That's where Ki Hajar Dewantoro and Taman Siswa study about that one. Just come from setting by looking for the gamelan orchestra. From the gamelan orchestra, the leader of gamelan orchestra, what we call as kendang. Plang, 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 that's one. The kendang player sitting in the middle of a group orchestra with the clothes similar with all of them. It is different with the orchestra. And the gamelan, people not shoot, apalagi apa?
Memorize.
What the member not always memorize the notation. This is the role of the leader kendang. If not memorize the notation, so the kendang will play slower. If there is a rebellion, someone knocking the gamelan very strong, and then a very strong sound, so the kendang should take the strong as well. Based on that one, and then ing ngarsa sung tulodo, ing madya mangun karsa tutwuri handayani. That's the way people from Indonesia, people from Java study about their culture. Because of that, I developed this as 5 method of study. First, tutorial. Tutorial just like us. When we study in class, that's tutorial. Secondly, contemplation. Thirdly, experiencing. And then 5, revelation, inspiration. And then the 5 is the combination of the 4. First one, I want to tell you about the tutorial. I think we know all together that tutorial, we not use feeling at all. Mind, just our gun, we use. We can understand about undetected symbol. We sometimes said that homo symbolicum, but in the field we forget about that. Actually, if we very often go to the field and then we can recognize yesterday I met with Sabah, Professor Sabah from Iran. The name is very strange for me. She is in Canada, but her name is Sabah. And then she told me that I am from Iran. That's I want to show you that the symbol can give us an information. Contemplation. Contemplation or in Javanese terminology also merenung. From the Arabic we call as tafakur. Tafakur, the process of tafakur is tadabur. This is almost similar with belajar mengalami after this. And then after that, if we find something, we do tabayun or triangulation, and the result is tasyakur. I just want to tell you, that's my personal experience. Before my wife passed away 6 months ago, I discussed with my wife. My wife also psychologist. What actually showed in the perspective of psychology? Because according to the Islamic religious, according to me, something that strange. Why? When God create human, they talk about ruh, soul. Everything is very good. But before somebody die, the most sickness that there is no medical medicine, that's sakaratul maut, sakarat. Why? Is now if people won't die, but not hurt, tidak sakit, not hurt ya, mau mati tapi tidak sakit.
Yeah, doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
Doesn't hurt.
Die but doesn't hurt. Why? What is the meaning? We find that nyawanya apa tuh jadi bahasanya? Soul.
Soul. Yeah.
That soul is similar with what we call libido. And then I asked this one to triangulation tabayun to the religious expert, and we agree about this one. And what happened? When my wife passed away, she was died in the morning at 7:32. At 7 o'clock in the morning, my daughter asked, "Mom, do you heard something?" Yeah. Dadaku ya, Pak. In my chest, it's hurt. Do not, just only something like that. Then because of that, this is why I believe that merenung, we can find something, not only contemplation about. If you are non-Muslim, especially Christian, you are sometimes you do retreat as well. Yeah. But retreat, contemplation on yourself, your personal. But you can also use this one to understand any others. And the result of the contemplation is tasyakur, thanks God. And then learning experience, mediate, what we call mediate to the crowd, experience that is hand-on learning. This I asked to this experience to after my wife died, any problem about bank, And then that's my daughter job. Before that, they know nothing. But after that one, because he's experiencing doing that, he have expertise. I also said to my daughter, if as you go to the market and then you reject, there is no information or the skill for you to bargain. Yeah. The price, you do not have any capacity of that one. Because of that, if you do something, there is the important skill you have. And then, okay, Revelation, the story from, okay, this number 4. We know that Isa, Prophet Isa, Yesus, Moses, has expertise about the blind people. And then Solomon can speak with animal. So if we try to make some contemplation, do Jesus study on that science? Do Solomon study about the science? No. The question then, why they have this experience? Why they have that expertise? That's the rule of God. And then I ask, can we do something or we have the expertise something like this prophet? If you are fatalistic thinkers, you will say that because they are prophet, we are only human as natural. And then my question is, since when Allah, God, not give equal right to the human? And then I try to look over the history. In Yogyakarta, we understand that Sultan Agung, who live in Yogyakarta, every Friday, he always goes to Arabic to pray in Masjidil Haram. Is this true? That people believe, then many people believe all that. And then after that, Sesi di Jenar, in about 150, Sesi di Jenar have already go to the Hajj. Oh, he go there. According to us, and then the method of Sufism and Pastorian, I think the way how to create study and then to make rebellion or inspiration learning close, how we make close to God. In conclusion, learning psychology with individualist approach, method, and learning resource emphasize this aspect. There should be more control to optimize our human resources. I think it's now our time to study, not only use tutorial class and case method, but we can use this method to understand about our world. Thank you very much. Burung Irian, Burung Cendrawasih, cukup sekian, terima kasih.